Hi everyone, this is again Froilan John Idos, licensed real estate broker and also the owner of I2 Prime Realty. And I am here currently in Alabang West, and I am very excited to feature one new listing that we have here in this village. So I'm very excited because it's really a good property, no? And it has a total lot area of 300 square meter and a total of 750 floor area. So imagine, sa 750 na yun, napakalaki. So, yeah, I'm very excited to show you guys around this property. So, samahan nyo ako, no? So, before we get inside, let's first take a moment to appreciate muna yung community. Ang ganda ng community dito sa Alabang West. Very peaceful yung community. And you notice, halata mo talagang premier yung subdivision or yung village dahil wala mga kable ng mga kuryente, no? So, ayun. Kaya, maganda yung community dito. And then dito, sa pagpasok pa lang ng bahay, this is that first will welcome you. You have a landscape garden here. Meron din tayo my right side. So, ayan temporarily yung nilagay ng owner pero you can improve it to your preference. Then this house has a car garage that can fit up to 8 cars, no? Pababa siya yung design ng carport natin. And then dito sa baba, nandito na rin yung room for drivers and para sa helpers. Ayan. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 for drivers, then 2 for helpers. And yung nasa gitna is ano siya, storage, tapos may common toilet and bath. Then, doon sa likod guys, ay daan yan ng helper and may access yan all the way doon sa may kitchen area natin. Okay? So tara, let's go inside the property para mas ma-appreciate niyo yung ganda nitong property na to. Bukod doon, you also have a landscape garden doon. So pwede kayo mag-add ng mga plants dyan if you want. Okay? Then dito pa lang, so before I forget, this gate pala, yung gate ng parking natin is automated also. So that's a good initiative na ginawa ng owner, no, para sa property na to. And then dito sa stairs, it will look very nice, especially pag gabi. Kasi may ilaw na yan. Umiilaw yan, lalo pag gabi. Bago tayo pumasok sa bahay, let me show you this part of the house na may malaking space dito sa side na to. Ayan. So if you just wanna, relax and appreciate the view of your neighborhood, okay tong space na to. Then, as we step inside the house, sa door pa lang, you know already that it will look really good. Diba? Pagpasok pa lang, the ventilation, the natural light, because it's all glass, diba? Puro glass. And you have this direct access going outside para may natural ventilation that is coming to your property. This can be your living area where you can entertain your guests or your family and friends. You can set up your dining area on the side. So, dining, living area. Then, dito naman, it can be turned to your office area. So, if you want to be more productive, you have your own space. On this side, it comes with split-type aircon already. So, imagine setting up your computer table here. You have a good view out there. And you see your family here. So, it's all good. And it's very convenient kasi ang lawak ng space din and mas makakahinga ka, no? Then, by the way, that office has a toilet pero common toilet na rin siya kasi meron din additional access here. So, can be the common toilet na rin. And bath. So if you have guests, no, or family members na gusto dito sa baba. Okay, then on this side naman, guys, yung ating kitchen area, which is really spacious. So ako personally, I like having a huge kitchen. Although di naman ako ganun kagaling magluto, pero gusto kong nanonood ng nagluluto. So yeah, this has enough space para sa for your loved ones who love cooking, no? So it comes with installed kitchen cabinet already, overhead cabinet, the countertop, the sink, kitchen cabinet. You have the island here and additional cabinets over there. Okay. So next, by the way, this living dining area, it has its installed ACs already, split type aircon. So we have one there, and then there's another one over there. Okay, so now let's go upstairs naman to show you the bedroom. Okay, so this property has 6 bedrooms in total. So maganda siya. So the first that you'll see when you get up is when you go up is the master's bedroom, which has this 2 door. So you know already that it's big because it has 2 doors, no? Ayan. So this is going to be your master's bedroom. You and your spouse can live here. You have 2 balcony, one over here, and there's another over there. So if you want to just appreciate the view outside, you can go out here. And yeah, just enjoy and relax. There you go. Okay, so let's get back inside and show you your toilet and bath, which has a walk-in closet. So this can be your side, the husband side, then the wife side, or can be all wife's closet because we know, no, girls normally have, a lot of stuff. So dito naman on the toilet side, you have 2. So can be a good for bonding. Yeah. Then on this side, you have the shower area. Okay, so you know already what happens in the shower area. So there's a shower area over there. Then this is the sink. And then you can have mirror here. Okay, so now um, let's go to the next bedroom on the second floor. So this is the master's bedroom, but there's a junior master's bedroom over here. So if you have maybe kids who want big space, so this can be for her or him. So yeah, there's a provision for window type aircon. Then it has also walk-in closet. Yeah. And then the toilet at the back. Yeah. There you go. Then you can have a mirror here. So having good mirror in the bathroom gives really good aesthetic, no? So if you also like having like huge mirror, you can set it up there. Dun sa mga previous houses na tinwork ko, they have this mirror na yung nag-iiba yung ilaw. So that can also be installed there. Okay, so to the last part of the house, we have 3 more rooms up here. 3 rooms, then 1 huge balcony. So before we go to that side, let's go first on this side. Yeah, so same finishes. All the bedrooms have toilet and bath. So this one also has toilet and bath. That one. Okay. And there's also cabinet. And then here's the other room. There you go. And it has a toilet and bath also. So, hindi kayo mag-aagawan sa toilet and bath because all rooms have its own toilet and bathroom. Right? It's really good. Love this property. And then to the last bedroom. This bedroom, the special about this last bedroom is it has its own balcony, similar with the master's bedroom. But this one is on the higher floor. So if you want a better view, you can be on this floor. Yeah. So that's your neighborhood. And what I like about this side of the village, it there's gonna be no obstruction of view. So you have really good view outside. And that's the reason why the owner initiated to have one. It has, by the way, its own toilet and bath also. And because there's no obstruction, the owner wanted to maximize that part of this lot. So they decided to have like a huge balcony over here just to appreciate, have a good view of Alabang, of the south area, or just your neighborhood. So this is what you'll see just surrounding your property. So yeah, no obstruction. You really have good view if you decide to live in this property. Okay, so I hope that you like this property in Alabang West, and I personally like it. I like um, everything about the house. I like that it's very spacious. I like that it has huge car garage, especially if I have guests. So if you have guests coming over, having small party or gathering, so we have enough car garage for them. So I hope that you also like this property. And if in case you are interested and if you want to see this property in actual, please do send me a message so I can tour you around, and I will be very happy to assist you. But if in case you have any in mind, in particular of any property, just also send us a message because we handle all the listings out there. So yeah, I'm very excited for you. And again, thank you so much for watching. This is again Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime Realty. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye. Choo!